Hello guys, neza komeze neza. Uyu munsi ndashaka ko dukora interview n'umucuruzi. Murabona ducuruza imodoka Dubai Port. Aho tugiye tugira ama companies menshi acuruza imodoka. Ndashaka ko uyu munsi tuganira n'umucuruzi umwe mu bimporta amamodoka, atuganirize ese izi modoka zinjira gute mu Rwanda, ese nta henda, ese ni iki umuntu yagenda kubera icyo yakwizera aje kugura imodoka hano kugira ngo abashe kumugira icyizere amuha imodoka. Ese agira imodoka zimeze gute, azizana ate? Reka tumuganirize. Turaganira na company imwe hano ikorera muri iyi nzu, ndashaka ko twinjiramo tukareba. Let's go. Okay, twinjiye. Hano. Intro ya kabiri. Hano ni muri Dubai Port. Iyi ni inzu nshyashya mu office. Kuba nukira nk'amakampani akoreramo hano, abashobora gukenera office akoreramo hano, bakoreramo habamo amakampani z'ama insurance, uwari wese ushobora gukenera office hano mu office uratukodesha. Twahageze rero, twahageze muri yitwa Dubai Cars. Iyi kampani yatangiye 2023 mu gucuruza imodoka. Ni karibu twinjire rero uko bameze. Isi imeze gutya. Hello boss. Hello. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Marius, how are you? I'm fine. Good? Yeah, I'm good.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. You are doing some business?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is the morning now. Maybe you are starting a new job. Okay. Happy to see you.
Oh, happy to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Good day.
Okay. Boss, for first of all, we just want to start by like a presentation.
Okay.
Yeah, we just make some presentation, your name and your company name, how you are working. Yeah, thanks.
Here at their office.
No problem. Can you go to the
Okay,
office?
there is good.
Okay, let's go to the office. Yeah, thank you so much, boss.
Okay.
Yeah, we appreciate for everything.
Okay.
First of all, yeah, we just want to know your name, your company name.
My name Talat Abbasi. I am from Pakistan.
Okay,
We are Dayan International.
okay,
Our business is 8 countries.
okay,
Mother company in Korea.
okay.
Now Rwanda 2013 since our company.
Wow.
Very
In
old.
Rwanda?
In Rwanda 2013 still now.
Okay,
13-year-olds.
okay,
And all of the Korean car deals.
okay,
We never accident car buy in Korea
okay,
and repairing no buy.
Okay.
Everything we buy in auction car.
okay.
Auction car very good quality.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, boss, you know, you're working in Rwanda.
Yes.
You are foreigner.
Yes.
There is some cars, mostly some brands.
Yes.
Which the brands most you are bringing inside Rwanda?
Before we bring Toyota, but 2022-3 up now still in Kia. Kia
Okay.
is Rwandan people like too many.
Okay.
KiaSorento 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Also I have 22.
Okay.
2010 to 2022 all model and different color I have.
Yeah, Kia.
Kia.
Means KiaSorento.
Kia Sorento.
Okay, KiaSorento.
Kia Sorento, Kia Niro.
Okay.
Small people like Hyundai.
Okay.
Hyundai small people Tucson and
Okay. Means you are importing cars from Korea.
yes, important
Yeah.
car in
In
Korea.
Korea, okay,
All
so
car in Korea.
Okay, so fine. Yeah, boss. You know, when you are doing business in Rwanda, there is some, you know, as you're a foreigner, there is some problems can meet with some people in Rwanda, the customers. Can you tell us some challenges you are meeting with when you are selling the cars in this business? Yeah.
This Rwanda business
Okay.
is small risk.
Mhm.
Why risk? In not ship in Rwanda. No
Okay.
sea.
Okay. Yeah.
No sea. He's bring Tanzania.
We are running
Tanzania
out.
port no have because of Tanzania to here drive 1500 kilometer.
Yeah.
Sometime car is accident.
Okay.
Sometimes is spare part is problem. Sometimes is then small no trust Rwandan people ask why he's maybe accident. He's no good. He's quality engine mission. Sometime
Okay.
some problem. But old model is
Okay.
some problem. But new model 2014-15 up model is never problem.
Okay. Okay. So fine. Yeah. Boss, you know, when you are bringing the cars,
Yes.
you are selling cars. At least, how many cars you are importing? At least in 1 year. Can you count on 1 year, or how you bring cars? You bring cars in month, three months? How you...
I bring every month 2 container.
Okay.
My car every month 2-3 container on the way.
Okay.
Every month.
Every month. Okay.
But here I stock maybe 25 to 35 cars every time here have.
Okay.
25 to 35 cars.
Okay. As you in nowadays, the business for selling cars, is it good in Rwanda nowadays or how you are saying?
Before
Okay.
last year 2025,
Okay.
very good business in Rwanda.
Okay.
But this year 2026,
Okay.
it's business slow.
Okay.
Because of US and Iran war, diesel
Yeah.
price increased.
Okay.
Then I think it's slow.
Yeah, it's a problem for everyone.
Yes.
For
Everywhere,
business.
everywhere,
for every
business is
Yeah.
slow.
Okay, but why did you choose Rwanda? Some you're saying you
Yes.
have some
I-
countries. Why did you choose Rwanda?
Why choose?
Okay.
My one friend is Rwanda ambassador in Korea.
Okay.
Korea embassy in Rwanda.
Okay.
There, he's meet for me, and
Okay.
2010 he buy car for me there. First time I sending car in Rwanda.
Okay.
2010.
Okay.
He and me good friendship.
Okay.
We always he invite me come Rwanda. You see he's good people, he's loving people, and weather is very good.
Okay.
Then he also my another friend Mr. Sunga.
Okay.
Sunga, he is notary advocate.
Okay.
He's liar.
Okay.
He's liar. He's also invite me come. Then
Yeah.
we come here 2013.
Okay.
4 year I live.
Okay.
2017 I go back in Korea.
Okay.
But business slow. My friend see watching and slow business. Mr. Sunga help us.
Okay.
But 2025 I shift here.
Okay, sure. Fine. Okay, boss. Which in one day, one or two advice can give to someone who is still outside the country, or anyone who is in Rwanda want to make some business for selling cars? There's any advice can give someone who want to make this business for selling cars?
Before, Rwanda business is very good, but
Okay.
now competition too much.
Okay.
Competition too much,
Yeah.
and also diesel price increase.
Yeah.
Then his petrol and diesel car sale is 20% slow.
Okay.
20% market in hiring in electric cars.
Yeah. I understand.
But small people
Okay.
like Sorento,
Okay.
very small people are changing common and Sam Sorento
Okay.
again.
yeah. Okay, I understand. You know, as you are doing this business for selling cars, there is some challenges.
Challenges have.
Uh-huh.
Here,
The most challenges you are meeting nowadays. Which are the most?
No.
Yeah.
Tanzania to
you
here
don't bring
brings
bring cars from Tanzania.
Tanzania to here,
Yeah, you're going
big
to-
challenge.
Yeah. What about challenges when you have car inside?
Uh,
This Dubai Port.
Inside,
Uh-huh.
only water problem, wash,
Washing.
no good.
Okay.
For washing car, no good in dust too much. Now dry season in Rwanda.
Okay. Yeah. What about when you have car here?
Yeah.
When you are selling car to customer, is there some challenges or troubles? Customer can come back to you like a problem for the cars?
No. My
Okay.
car,
Okay.
me still here 2 years.
Okay.
Still I am here. No
Okay.
anyone car is problem. Customer call me or only one customer call me.
Okay.
His headlight inside bulb.
Okay, Bob.
Bulb only 2K, 3K.
Yeah,
I send him, he
so
change.
simple.
Only no big any issue. in my
Okay.
car.
How do you buy the cars in Korea? You have someone there? Or
No, me personal. I
Personal?
personal buy.
Go there, buy.
We go there and my brother there have one
Okay.
brother.
Okay.
My 3 nephew there have.
Okay.
He buys and send me.
Okay.
His supplier here, many other people
Okay.
buy car for me.
Okay.
He is reselling.
Okay.
I give him Korea.
Okay.
Many people have.
Yeah, many people.
12, 13 people have buy me in Korea.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. Okay, boss. Let me ask you some few questions.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was just want to know any people who want to buy a car here. What about when you say
car to people or your customer. What about, with the car, you give him with plate number,
No.
with insurance.
Yeah.
You give insurance to customer or insurance is for himself?
No, insurance for customer.
It's for his side.
Car,
Okay,
I give him car.
okay,
I control technique
Okay.
is our guarantee.
okay,
Control technique insurance is paid by customer. Sometime control technique we pay,
okay,
but no problem. Only 55,000.
okay.
This no matter. Insurance customer pay.
You pay
If
himself.
any problem,
Okay,
1 month
okay.
we fix it free.
For everything?
Everything, any
Okay.
problem with car.
Okay, means everything for the car in 1 month.
1 month.
We are able to fix
Fix it free.
Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, so let's for customer to be ready to hear.
Yeah.
What do you think about the electric car? Do you prepare to bring electric cars or you
No.
will still in
No, I buy
Okay.
2 car in electric in Korea. I have their yard.
Okay,
They are still waiting.
okay,
But electric car no reliable.
okay.
Korea first electric car
Mm-hmm.
2005
Okay,
launch. But now 2026 Korea no more have 7%, 6%.
okay,
Only 100 cars, 5-6 car in electric, different brands.
okay,
Kuna and Kia Niro and Porter, Bongo 3, all have electric, but
Okay.
very small.
okay. Yeah. And
Korea, time is money, is no
Uh-huh.
wasting time for
Yeah.
charging.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Means it's better for you to stay
Fuel.
about
Fuel.
instead of electric.
Ah.
Okay, so fine. Yeah, boss. How do you compare the business for selling cars in Rwanda, even in your country? How do you the difference? How do you see the difference for selling cars here and in your country? How can you compare?
Here,
Okay.
here business is easy
Okay.
for my country in Pakistan.
Okay.
My country in Pakistan, I have business. If I one container bring 4 cars,
Okay.
all taxes I pay
Okay.
and bring to my city.
Okay.
And here Rwanda 2 container, my country 1 container. Price same.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. I understand. Okay. Was other problem I can ask you. You have already told us how about your company. Why people can choose your company to buy your car? We have more than 40 companies that sell the cars.
Yes.
Why can anyone can choose your company to buy your car?
Here?
Yeah.
My car,
Okay.
never accident history in Korea.
Okay.
Is guarantee.
Uh-huh.
Never repairing. Engine, mission, never repairing.
Okay.
Is my guarantee.
Okay.
Is also I show him,
Mm-hmm.
I have website, paid website.
Okay.
I show him any customer, he check
Okay.
chassis number
Okay.
and checking.
Okay.
Never accident history in Korea. I
Okay.
know by.
Okay.
My car, 100% original paint in Korea.
Okay.
No paint in Rwanda.
Okay.
No any repairing in Rwanda.
Yeah.
My original car in bring in Korea.
Okay.
Another one thing,
Okay.
me hire one person,
Okay.
Hyundai and Kia,
Okay.
retired one person in Korea.
Okay.
His job 25 years in Hyundai company. He's
Wow.
retired now. Age is 63 years.
Okay.
We hire.
Okay.
My car is fully checked.
Uh-huh.
This person
Before you pay.
before you pay.
Okay.
He check. He pass.
Okay.
Then I buy.
Wow.
He speaking is no good.
Okay.
Then no buy.
Okay. Yeah.
I pay one car 300 for checking.
for checking.
Yes.
Yeah. Means.
I pay. But quality car, no problem.
Okay. Oh, so fine. So it's so nice. Okay. Boss, let me ask you some other. I will ask you, Mark, 2 marks. Then you will tell me this one. Yeah. Kia and Hyundai.
I like Kia.
Okay.
But no, Rwanda I like Kia.
Okay.
Korea and Pakistan also I have Texan.
Okay. You're Texan. Okay.
Me use Texan,
Okay. Toyota, Mitsubishi.
Toyota,
Okay. Mercedes Benz and the BMW.
Benz.
Benz. Okay. Do you have a Lamborghini in your country?
Yes, I have
Lamborghini and Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Ferrari. Okay, so nice. Okay. So nice. Let me ask you like other 2 or 3 questions for us. Yeah. Okay. How do you see the ref in Rwanda? like expenses you are meet with outside in lifetime. What about your experience in your lifetime? Like you are renting the house at the side, outside where you live. You buy the food. How can you give me some experience you have in our life?
Rwanda life is very easy.
Okay.
No any problem.
Okay.
All is have here. Fresh vegetable, fresh fruit, meat, beef, all have.
Okay.
No any problem.
Okay.
People are loving.
Okay.
No problem. Anything, no problem.
Okay.
People, customer are very good. Compromise us, no problem.
Wow.
For selling car, no problem. Any,
Okay.
no issue.
Okay.
People are very good. People need small discount, but every person searching car
Okay.
and any searching item, he
Okay.
needs small discount. He compare with budget.
Okay.
This no is very good
Okay.
for us. All people for us very
Okay.
good. No problem. We are me selling
Okay.
maybe 2 years. 150, 60 cars, but
Okay.
me no problem. Any one customer is no misbehave, any no
Wow.
issue,
Okay.
any no problem. All people are very good.
Okay.
But all I sell car,
Okay.
I have computer car.
Okay.
After 1 month,
Okay.
1 month and 45 days, 40 days, I message him.
Okay.
If any problem you
Wow.
are okay. He reply me, car is very good, no problem.
Means anyone who buy your car, you are
yes.
ready to ask him how the
How
question
is
of the
car and
Wow.
how is car and any issue.
Okay.
My 20 to 25 customer
Okay.
repeated
Okay.
again
They
and
come
again.
back. They
Come
to
back.
you.
Car
Okay.
is good,
Okay.
then he's come back.
Okay.
He need more car and he's come back.
Okay, yes.
Many
sir.
customers.
Okay, but now you are working at Dubai Port
Yes.
and you just want to shift.
Now we are here,
Okay.
but we plan their
Okay.
shift, but both side is open.
Okay.
We work in both side.
Yeah, both sides.
Both sides.
Okay. Yeah, okay. But yeah, thanks so much for everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Which car you have for this price? The cheap car you have in your cars now.
Cheap car, I
Okay.
have Honda Insight.
Okay.
Is 11 million. 11 million Sorento
Okay.
2010. Different colors.
Okay.
Black, grey, silver, chocolate. 4 color I have all cars.
Okay.
2010, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Okay.
17,
Okay.
22.
Yeah.
But less than
Okay.
13.5
Okay.
cheap price.
Yeah.
And up 50
Okay.
50 million I have 2022.
Okay.
Also I have Jeep Wrangler. Jeep.
Okay. I have seen on
60 million this price.
60 million.
Yes.
60.
60.
Which model?
2012.
Is it fuel? Only fuel.
Only fuel.
Wow.
4 wheel.
Yeah, for I take a video and share with my friends.
Ah.
Yeah, if they are ready to come, they come and buy. Well, thanks so much.
Okay.
We appreciate
Okay, welcome.
everything. Yeah. Yeah. In time when we want to come back to you, we are ready.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, let's
Thank
meet
you.
you. Yeah, thank you.